A graphic illustration of Libya's continued uncertainty. Outside a Tripoli hotel where the Prime Minister lives for his own safety, all is apparently normal. But in the early hours of the morning, this was the scene of an audacious raid by dozens of militiamen, a kidnapping masquerading as an arrest.
People came, assigned with a paper from the Prosecutor General with an order for the arrest of the Prime Minister.
No shots were fired as gunmen from a group calling itself the Libya Revolutionaries Operations Room took Ali Zaidan from his room. On its Facebook page, the group said it had arrested Mr. Zaidan for financial misdemeanors. A picture of a dishevelled Prime Minister appeared later on an Arabic satellite channel. But many observers see another motive. It's been 5 days since American special forces captured a senior al-Qaeda leader. Abu Anas al-Libi was also taken from his home in Tripoli. Some Libyans were outraged and felt sure someone in government must have known.
There have been quite a lot of incidents of this kind. Why? Because there are in Libya now a large number of these so-called militias, which are groups of people who took up arms against Gaddafi in 2011 and have remained in existence, have never fully accepted government authority.
Libya's euphoria, which David Cameron and Nicolas Sarkozy celebrated 2 years ago, has gone. Post-revolutionary Libya is a chaotic, dangerous place, full of competing loyalties and power centres. A fact the Prime Minister acknowledged himself in a recent BBC interview.
We are in a state of revolution, so we have no choice. The Libyan state has no control over the repercussions of the revolution, because the state is weak.
Ali Zaidan was released after just a few hours, a chaotic end to a messy, embarrassing incident, and another sign of Libya's continued instability. Paul Adams, BBC News.